Welcome to Home Organizing for Beginners. I'm Tammy, your home organizing educator. In each episode, I share a microscopic home organizing topic. That just means it's something you can implement today from start to finish if you so choose. So today's microscopic home organizing topic is this: what you can do when you don't know how to get organized. As someone who is or feels like they're just starting their home organizing journey, you want to be set up for lasting home organizing solutions, right? In order to make that happen, you'll have to do something different than you've done before or what society tells us. Instead of feeling like you should already know how to get organized or forcing yourself to figure it out on your own, you can ask questions and get answers. In this episode, which is super short so that you can take action right away today, I'll share with you where you can go to ask questions about home organizing, why it's okay to ask questions, and the steps you can take today to get started. Let's start with where you can go to ask all your home organizing questions. I've created an online community, not on Facebook, because we all know how Facebook is just a time suck and it has oodles and oodles of distractions. Instead, this community is found within my website so that you can stay focused when you're working on your home organizing project. This community is where you can go to ask me anything about home organizing and I'll answer. I used to feel like there was something wrong with me because I couldn't be organized like everyone else, right? I felt like everyone else was so organized and I just didn't have that ability. And I was too embarrassed to ask questions of my friends and my family that they always seemed to have it so together, like they would think I was weird if I couldn't keep it together. I know. It's what I thought, and I'm guessing you may think that sometimes as well. You don't have to keep struggling. Maybe you're not sure where to get started, or maybe you have a room specific question like, what's the best type of container to store my makeup in? Whatever your question is, come into this community and ask it. You don't have to forge through this all by yourself. You are definitely not the only one who struggles to get and stay organized. Okay, so the steps to ask your questions are quick and painless. All the steps and the links are in the show notes. Go to homeorganizingforbeginners.com. Click the button at the top of the page, and that's going to take you to the Ask Me Anything community. You can't miss the big button. Sign up for an account. No payment information is needed. Create your profile. Basically, it's adding your name and a picture if you like. And then you can go ahead and ask questions, and I will be there to answer them. I like to wrap up every episode with a single point to remember. This point is meant to help you remember what you've learned today so that you can make progress and build momentum in your home organizing journey. Today's point to remember is this: ask questions, get answers, and do it today. Thanks so much and have a great day. I hope to meet you in the free community.